In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this OnePlus. Begin with opening settings and scrolling down. Then choose system settings and click on one-handed mode. Following that, tap on this switcher to activate it and select settings. If you have trickiest navigation, you need to set up gestures to use one-handed mode and choose learn or cancel in this pop-up. Then go back and tap on this switcher over here. Now you need to follow all of those instructions. Swipe down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to go back, just click on this blurry area. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!